Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of Visual Studio Code can't run in Windows 7. The solution is to install the last version that supports Windows 7. As you can see here, July 2022 version 1.70 is the last version that supports Visual Studio Code update. This update is only available for Windows 7 user and is the last release supporting Windows 7. So we will ignore the last version and download that version, and that will solve the problem. You can choose any version from here for Windows 7, and it will work good with it.